watched AI do my entire week's work in 60 seconds. That's when I realized AI isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your comfort. If you don't use the 1-hour rule I'm about to show you, you will be replaced by 2027. Here is how I adapted. Most people will scroll endlessly. They will watch dramatic headlines about automation. They will argue in comment sections. They will panic for a moment and then return to distraction. But progress does not wait for comfort. Technology rarely replaces people overnight. It replaces them gradually, one task at a time, one responsibility at a time, one small shortcut that seems harmless, until one day, they realize something uncomfortable. They are no longer essential, not because they were incapable, but because they stayed comfortable while the world kept moving. Automation does not knock loudly, it enters quietly. A report that once took hours now takes minutes, a presentation built in seconds, customer messages answered instantly, efficiency increases, expectations rise, and slowly, average effort is no longer enough. The gap between those who adapt and those who hesitate begins to widen, not dramatically, but consistently, and consistency changes everything. The solution is not panic, it is not quitting your job, it is not obsessing over every new tool. The solution is simple: one focused hour each day, 1 hour without distraction, 1 hour of deliberate learning, 1 hour invested in skills that make you more valuable. If you commit to 1 hour every single day, in 30 days you are different. In 90 days you are ahead. In 1 year, you are unrecognizable. Not because you are more talented, but because you chose discipline over distraction. In the age of automation, consistency becomes protection. Preparation becomes confidence, and confidence becomes opportunity. The future rewards curiosity, not fear. It rewards those who prepare early, not those who react late. The question is simple: will you adapt while it is still optional? Or react when it becomes necessary? The world will continue to change. That part is guaranteed. The only uncertainty is your response.